In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for words in Google Docs. If you're working in a long document, trying to manually scan for a specific word or phrase can take a lot of time. Fortunately, Google Docs has a quick built-in search tool that helps you jump straight to the exact text you need. This is especially useful when you're editing, reviewing, or checking for repeated terms in a document. To begin, open your Google Doc and press Ctrl+F on your keyboard. This shortcut opens the search box, which usually appears near the top of the document window. It's one of the fastest ways to search without having to click through menus, and it works well when you need to find something quickly while staying focused on your document. Once the search box appears, type the word or phrase you want to find. As you enter your text, Google Docs will immediately begin looking through the document for matches. If the word appears more than once, the tool will highlight the current result and also indicate that there are multiple matches. This makes it easy to confirm whether the term appears once, a few times, or throughout the document. After that, use the up and down arrows in the search box to move through each match in the document. This allows you to cycle through every instance one by one, so you can review them in context instead of just seeing a general list. That can be very helpful if you're checking how a word is used in different sections or making sure a phrase appears consistently across the document. A helpful tip is to be as specific as possible when searching. If you search for a short or common word, you may get many results, which can slow you down. Searching for a full phrase can make the process much more efficient. Also, if you don't see any results, double check your spelling and make sure you're using the same wording that appears in the document. Once you've gone through the matches you need, you're all set. That's how to search for words in Google Docs quickly and easily. Thank you for watching.